Hey, Matt Bauer here. Going to do a walk around of this 08 Altec 1217. Not quite done with it, but the rest of what we're doing is just cosmetic. Did a full-on paint job, engine off, with a lot of new parts. Probably too many to list, but I don't know, let's try. New battery box. Radiator got cleaned. I don't think we had to patch it. Cleaned out, painted. Clutch is good. 895 hours on an operating original tachometer. New filters, brand new wheels, brakes, drums, everything, bearings, complete new brake packs, brand new aluminum, custom made. I get these made, or at least I did before my guy quit. Fenders. There are new blades in there. Kept the old bed knife because it's in good shape. New outer bearing. The inner bearing was fine. Put shielding on all the hydraulic lines. Didn't replace any of the lines, but they're in pretty good shape. Altec uses really good quality hydraulic hoses. All the wheel bearings were good, feed wheel bearings. I think this one may have gotten a new deflector. Of course, the tanks were off and they all got cleaned inside and out, painted up and down. New belts under the hood there. New alternator, new exhaust system. This is all new. What else? Guess that's it. I'll just finish. I'm going to put a few more decals on it. I'm going to leave, you know, Altec has their decals that go up here. I think I'm going to leave that blank because it's really smart to put your phone number up there. So we're just going to do basic reflectors and a couple of safety decals, not the full array. They tend to be overkill. Nice white chipper like this, you put your own logo on it. Put your digits on the engine covers, you know. People see that, they really like it. All right.